Okay, let's make a Boulevardier, the distant cousin of a Negroni. Much like a Negroni, this is a built-in-the-glass drink, so grab yourself a nice sharp glass and we're going to fill that up with cubed ice. But don't fill it right to the top. Leave a little bit of a window. That's going to help you with stirring it, that's going to help you with the dilution. Okay, and then going into that, much like a Negroni again, we're going to go in with Campari. Now this is a 3-ingredient, 3 equal parts drink, so really easy to remember. It's just 1 shot of each, so that's Campari. We're going in with 25 milliliters. If you're American, use an ounce. If you're not good with measurements, just go in with whatever you got, whatever you can measure, equal parts. An egg cup? Sure, why not? 3 egg cup measurements. Moving on from the Campari, we have sweet vermouth. Once again, 25 milliliters, equal parts. Campari, sweet vermouth, and now you want some American whiskey. This is what's going to make it differ from that of a Negroni. So grab yourself some American whiskey, go in 25 milliliters. Bourbon works best, but you can use rye whiskey if you want that little bit of spiciness, a little bit of edge to that. Now all it's left to do is stir it. We've left that little window. That's really going to help us stir this down. Grab yourself a spoon, bar spoon, chopstick, whatever you have on hand. Stir that ice around, get some dilution. As you go, as you start combining those ingredients, you can start topping up with ice. Super simple, right? In reality, this is a 1-minute drink that you're making, but real nice, super tasty. So top that up with ice, just giving it another stir now, and then it's almost ready for garnishing. Similar to the Negroni, we're going to garnish it once again with none other than everyone's favourite citrus fruit. It's the orange. So grab yourself an orange and you're going to peel off 1 big fat peel like so, and now for presentation we're just going to neaten that up. So what you want to do is you want to grab a little knife and we're just going to go around each corner of it, not cutting much off, just neaten it up, somewhat of a long rectangle, right? Cut off the edges lengthways and then just cut down. You can cut down at an angle so you get these little vertical bits. All we're doing is neatening up this peel, making the presentation look that much better. Okay, simple, right? Super simple. Once you've got that, there you go, it should look something like this. Just give it a little twist, nothing much, stick in the side of your glass, and there you have it. That right there, that is a Boulevardier. Have a little taste of this, see how it is. Absolutely delicious, can't go wrong. Chef's kiss, perfect. Enjoy.